What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of today's video. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how you can make as high as 100K every single week by doing this simple trick I'm about to teach you. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Coach Silas, and here we talk about ways you can make money online by doing arbitrage and make extra income into your account. So I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. And once you're done subscribing, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that when next we drop valuable videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. So without wasting much of your time, like I earlier said, this strategy will reveal to you how you can make as high as 100K every single week by doing this simple trick. So basically, this trick will work only for those who are using Android phone. It is not available for now for iOS users, iPhone users. So please bear with me, please. You can actually look for whosoever uses an Android phone to do these things about this thing I'm about to teach you. So now you'll be needing an app. The app name is called Abacon. It is a new app on Play Store. So you have to go and download the app. Let me show you the app. So we're on Play Store. Here is the app. The name of the app is Abacon, and it's a new app that is newly introduced. If you look at it, you will see that it only has 5+ downloads, which means this particular application has less than 100 downloads. It means it has less than 100 downloads. So let me tell you what I just discovered about this application and how you can make money with this application. So let's head straight to the app. So you're going to install the app. So once you're done installing the app, you go to the app. So guys, this is how the app looks like. This is how it looks like. So you have to create an account. So you fill in every necessary information to create an account. Okay, to create an account. And let me quickly fill the information. Michael Silas. Okay, phone number 09065654592. So let's use an email. Let's say we want to use info@bluesender.com. So we click on continue. So let's select a state. Abuja, or let's say Benue. So we input a password, a PIN, transaction PIN. It should be 4 digits. So mine, I will just use 1234. So your referral phone number. So you can, I will drop a link, or I will drop my phone number below this video to write my phone number as your referral to this platform. Okay, so once you're done with this, so we head straight to login. It would require you, please make sure that you input a correct email address, because it will require you to verify your account. So let's try to log in. So guys, we are inside my account at the moment. You can see I have 78,232 naira. Okay, 232 naira. So this is how it is done, guys. So what you're going to be doing on this platform is this. So let's go to the referral down here and click on commission. If you come here, you see commission. So once you click on referral and you come here, you see commission list. So it implies that every single person you invite to this platform, on every transaction the person does, you'll be getting airtime bonus, data bonus, cable bonus, electricity bonus, and exam pin bonus, which implies you're going to be getting 2 naira on every time. It means, every single time the person does the transaction. Okay, every single time. So This 2 naira might seem very small, but trust me, people recharge, people buy data. Some persons do it as much as 5 6 times in a day. So I end up accumulating a whole lot of money by doing this. So let's go back to home. Let's go back to home. You can see that in my balance at the moment I have 78,000 naira. So basically, when you have your money accumulated, all what you have to do is you click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, you write the amount to pay, you write the amount, your email. So you transfer it to your wallet. Okay, you transfer it to your wallet and you can accumulate money here. So once you have it transferred, you can now come here and come to support. Okay, so this is when you've actually made enough of money. Maybe probably you've made up to 20,000 and you want to withdraw it. You come to support. It's either you chat the support or you mail support. So if you mail them and say you want to withdraw your referral bonus, they will help you withdraw it, and they request for your bank details, and it will be sent to your bank details within 48 hours. Am I making sense, guys? So, and you can also use this particular bonus as well to pay your bills, to buy airtime, to buy data, to do anything. Okay, so this is an advantage you should make use of now. This application is very new and they're actually looking for users to join their platform, and you can use this opportunity to make extra income for yourself because their services are quite very cheap and affordable, and you wouldn't want to miss these. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next we drop videos like this. Thank you for your time, and I will see you next on my next video where I will be teaching you more opportunities on how to make money online.